This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sunshine City Emergency Management, the National Weather Service, and the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A catastrophic and life-threatening tornado is on the ground and will hit Sunshine City metropolitan area within the next 10 minutes. I repeat, a catastrophic and life-threatening tornado is on the ground and will hit the Sunshine City metropolitan area within the next 10 minutes. All residents are to seek an underground shelter immediately, as all shelters above ground will be completely decimated and unrecognizable to survivors. I repeat, a massive catastrophic, and outright life-threatening tornado is on the ground. Take shelter immediately to save your life.